This dance is called Across the Ocean to See You. 32 count, 4 walls. And there are 4 tags in this dance. Let me show you the main dance. Starting with our right foot, forward shuffle. Forward shuffle right, forward shuffle left, forward shuffle left. Sway your hip, right, left, right, left, right. Kick. So section 1 is forward shuffle, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, kick. With the count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Section 2, step left to the side, behind, side, cross. Big step, touch. Step, step. Repeat section 2. Side, behind, side, cross, big step, touch, step, step. Section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. Side together, back, touch. Side together, shiver, right, left. So section 3 again. Side together, back, touch. Side together, shiver, right, return to the center. Section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section, step your right forward, step, scarf, step, scarf. Pedal 1/8, 1/8 to a quarter turn. Pedal 1/8, step 1/8. So last section with a step again. Step, scarf, step, scarf, pedal 1/8 turn, and step 1/8 turn. Facing 9 o'clock. Last section with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me go over the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this dance, there are 4 tags. Facing 3 o'clock 2 times, facing 6 o'clock 1 time, and facing 12 o'clock 1 time. So end of wall 3, wall 7, wall 10, and wall 12. Let me show you the tag at wall 12. Do a rocking chair. Rock, recover, back, recover. So the tag is rock, recover, back, recover. With a count 1, 2, 3,